Let's learn some new English words about health and illness. Last week, I fell ill with a high fever, severe cough, and a splitting headache. After a visit to the doctor, I was diagnosed with a viral infection and prescribed medication to soothe my symptoms. I've been resting and recovering at home, diligently taking my prescribed medication. Thankfully, my fever has subsided, and I'm starting to feel better. It's a reminder of how important it is to monitor our health and seek medical care when needed. Last week, I fell ill with a high fever. What is the meaning of fever?
Fever is a high body temperature condition.
I fell ill with a high fever, severe cough, and a splitting headache. What is the meaning of cough?
Cough is a reflex action that clears the throat and airways. And a splitting headache.
What is the meaning of splitting headache?
Splitting headache is a severe and intense headache.
After a visit to the doctor, I was diagnosed. If a doctor diagnoses you, what are they doing?
Diagnoses means to identify your medical condition.
After a visit to the doctor, I was diagnosed with a viral infection. What is the meaning of infection?
Infection means to transmit a disease or microorganism to someone.
And prescribed medication to soothe my symptoms. What does it mean when a doctor prescribes a medication?
Prescribes means to provide a written order for specific medication.
After a visit to the doctor, I was diagnosed with a viral infection and prescribed medication to soothe my symptoms. What is the meaning of symptom?
Symptom is a sign of an underlying condition or disease.
To diagnose, to identify a disease or condition. To infect, to transmit a disease or microorganism to someone. To soothe, to alleviate discomfort or pain. To monitor, to keep track of a patient's condition. To prescribe, to give a written order for medication or treatment. To medicate, to administer medication.